Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, my people, I'm going to talk about an incident, my viewers and subscribers, that took place over there in New York, Bronx, New York, my people. And it's about a Jamaican national who sadly passed away. And before me even start talk about this thing, people, I just want to say something. You understand? And say, you see in life, sometime when somebody do pass away, somebody do die or something, we just say, at them time, you know what I mean, God ready for him and, you know, nothing could have stopped him or something, people. But, you know, them thought they don't really make sense sometimes, because there are people on earth who literally do things, people, where them know could have, you know, them nothing do, and it do cause them life. No joke about it. So, some things, it will do work in the sense of being, so yeah, at them time, but in some cases, it just don't make sense, it just don't work. Because this story now I'm going to cover, my people, it's sad to know that a very popular man in the party figure, you understand, in the dancehall figure, people who a lot of people know from England, you understand, and over there in Bronx, New York, people, and in Jamaica also, who goes by the name of Tony Blood, you understand, and who them say is also a former member of the popular crew over there, the God Bless crew in UK, my people, Jamaican crew, God Bless crew, and he sadly passed away yesterday, my viewers and subscribers, on Saturday, you understand, December 11, 2021. And how them say Tony Blood passed is away now, people. Them say he was at a party over there, partying, enjoying himself when normally the people, you understand, man, who always a drink and thing, him high-end liquor them, you know, him champagne, him mouth and them something. That's how him live, theme lifestyle that people, because he's also a promoter too. And them say him drop down, you know what I mean, after like the party today and two steps away from the party, him drop down the people. And they come to boom, call the ambulance, and by the time him go in at the ambulance, people, and be transported, them never start transport him to the hospital or now, people. Him passed away. He gone. You know, Tony Blood just gone. But the thing is, people, and why I mentioned that little statement at the first, when I say sometime about life and this and that, people, is the fact to know that Tony Blood was a man who was suffering from high blood pressure, people, and recently also suffering from heart condition, you understand? So you have problem with his heart, my people. And you know that when you have illness like this, high blood pressure is a thing, people, that can cause other organs of the body to damage. You know what I mean? Talking about your heart, your kidney, plus other things in your body. You know what I mean? From the high blood pressure, it can cause, when you're not treat it, you know this is a condition where people, you have to keep on treating it. When you have high blood pressure, you have to keep on treating it. And when you're taking these medication, people, you cannot be consuming alcohol. And People, before we go any further, let me take a moment to give our sponsor a word. The sponsor for today is Islandwide Express. When it comes down to shipping things back to Jamaica, Jamaicans anywhere you are in the world, whether Europe, Canada or America, if you want to send something back to Jamaica, Islandwide Express is the company. Packages big and small, large and tall, Islandwide Express. Check them out on IG, Facebook and YouTube. Check out their many delivery videos. Very reliable and fast shipping company, Islandwide Express. And them we are deal with. Tony Blood was also consuming a lot of alcohol. People, he's a party man. Man in his 50s, people, who may that expect say, should I know better about certain things, people. But them says a man who people talk to about this thing because they know about this condition, people. But he was just not listening. See? And see the people, he gone away now. Be leaving many people sad. A lot of people who know him in the party figure. A lot of people who know him from way back then, from UK, because he used to reside in the UK until he moved over there into Bronx, New York, people, where he's a promoter keeping parties and so over there, people. A lot of people know, as me tell people, in the dancehall space and thing. And he's gone. Zane. And I saying rest in peace, Tony Blood. You know, it's sad to know that him just gone, people. But looking at different angles and different ways and means, people, may have to say, boy, Tony Blood, why you could have just listen? You know what I mean? Why you gone now? You cannot hear when NEWLINK say, but You know Tony Blood, you could have there with me maybe tomorrow, the next day, next week, next year in our blood. You know, if you did just listen. You know, sometimes people, some things that we love the most, we just have to sacrifice it, give it up for make we have long life. You know what I mean? For make our life go longer. But once we decide, you know what, we're not going to give it up, we're going to continue to have it people, then there's going to go a problem. Then there's going to go where things are going to go bad people. And your 3 points is something we really have to protect. And when I mention 3 points, you know, I'm talking about life. Your life is something we really have to protect people. I remember, you know, no one can protect your life better than how you can do it. You know, no one else on earth about you. If you decide, no matter what they might give your people, the doctor can prescribe it to many medication, the pharmacist can give you it in your hand, somebody can pay for it for you, give you, and you still not take it. You understand? So no one can protect your life more than you with God by your side, my people. And in this whole situation, people, Tony Blood wasn't doing that. See? It's sad for no people. The man, a party man, yes, him love him drink, love him party, love this, love that, love him life, people. As enough people that say he's a madline in the party because I be a top shelf them and a shell when they go party. People, you won't see him buy a 6-pack of Guinness, 6-pack of beer. Maybe if I buy that, he might just buy if you're a virgin, we know say that's straight beer or them thing them drink. But him, nah go do that, people. Them man pop bottles on top of bottles. He's a roller, my people. See? But it just sad, people. Him gone. See? Him gone. And the saying now that's the people, why, you know what I mean, what, all of this life, you know, what can it do? What can it do? And when I look into life, people, we will go at the most party, enjoy ourselves the most, my people, you know, have all of the fun. But what can it really do for us in the end? You know, I'm a man who love to enjoy myself, people, but not on a basically regular level. You understand? Love go party, yes, but not on a regular level. You get what I say, people? But in the end, when I check it out, people, what can it really do for us? Because our life is something we really have to cherish. Because 90% of the time we go to party, people, especially with a drinker, who consume so much alcohol, you know, and we can even hear me, myself, we never know, maybe we have an underlying sickness or we don't know about people. And there goes something where we just fell down, just like how Tony Blood fell down, even though you know about his condition, people, and you know about things that he should not have been doing. You know, in these case, people, you can't have high blood pressure. You cannot have them suck me up plus heart and I consume the bag of liquor mixing up with Red Bull and this and that. My people saying because them say when him drop people, nobody not able to realize, and he can also lick his head in a people because you drop down, boom, you can lick your head, you can lick other parts of your body, people, and that's it, people. You know, the ambulance not even get the chance to bring him towards the hospital, my people. Nobody not even could have did if you talk to him a little because him knock out, stone knock out, and by the time they do them CPR and try to revive him, people, him never get to come back even 1 minute, even 1 second. They just say, yo, me I go, me miss you, and that, and you know, somebody never get to exchange a word with him, my viewers and subscribers. But for me still, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all the friends, all the families, you know what I mean, everybody know him, everybody who do get a moment to talk to him, to be around him, people, because a lot of people have seen where they are pushing out so much love for him. A lot of people who know him on social media and they are saying, boy, they cannot believe that he's gone. You know, he was a fun person, he was a jovial person, he was a great person. You know, a lot of people have different things to say, and for his community in Jamaica and Kingston, where it's from originally, people, they are mourning the loss of him because a lot of people know him, you know what I mean. And as I said before, people, in the dancehall space, there's a lot of people who know him personally and they are mourning the loss of him, people. So, you know, rest in peace, Tony Blood, you know, and for the whole God Bless crew family who know him from long time, from them time, you know, just so it go. You know, if Tony Blood did just listen, people, honestly, just stay away from it, people. Either there, even 1 more minute, 1 more second with us, but it's just life. It don't happen already, and him gone. So my condolences again. So my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And thanks for the love, thanks for the support, thanks for the like, thanks for the share and the comment, my viewers and subscribers. And please remember to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Love you all, my people. Thanks again for the love and the support. Be good, be great, and be safe. See you. Fly high, Tony Blood. Rest in peace.